I'm Nicolette Graves.
Hi, I'm Chanel Spence, and this is The Formula.
Had a ton of sales, lots of support. One of the things that is the most important measure of whether or not your business is going to be successful is whether or not you have like repeat customers, and we did not have that. We did not have repeat customers. People were just really excited to see Black girls betting on themselves. Me, I was like, okay, Chanel, like this is cute, but people not coming back. We need to figure out why. So we ended up getting like 3,000 Black women to give us information on like their skincare routine, just like what are they looking for as a whole, and that ended up really changing the whole trajectory of the company. Went back into the kitchen and had to rethink what is it that we're trying to create. Black women are suffering from hyperpigmentation, we have oilier skin, and a lot of us just really want to be able to feel confident in the skin that we have every day. It goes beyond the product. I think for us, it's much more about the social impact. For the long haul, this company is about making sure that everyone can feel comfortable in their skin, but also like feel seen and valued as they are, not just donating money or volunteering, but how can we hire people that look like us?
I think even our whole team's been talking about is how can we impact the newer generation and those coming after us, and I guess like leaning back on our vision, which is to make people feel comfortable and protected in their skin.
I think it's also about like redefining how do you perceive beauty and like allowing people to understand that there is no one right way to be beautiful. And I think the more that we can continue to highlight what is normal and what is real, the better and more comfortable